Solid waste management in Aizawl amidst COVID-19. The current pandemic of the novel coronavirus COVID-19 brings serious challenges regarding municipal waste management practices and procedures. The UN Environment Programme urged governments to treat waste management as an urgent and essential public service in order to minimize possible secondary impacts upon health and the environment. The protection of waste management workers and the containment of the COVID-19 spread are our highest priority. As such, the Urban Development and Poverty Alleviation Department, Government of Mizoram, renders an all-out effort to ensure the safety of the community and our frontline sanitation workers. In Aizawl city, the capital of Mizoram, waste collection and transportation is the responsibility of Aizawl Municipal Corporation. After careful inspection, the segregated waste from each household and localities are collected and transported to the Aizawl Solid Waste Management Center to be further treated and managed by the State Investment Program Management and Implementation Unit, SIPMU. The collected wastes brought to the center are thoroughly checked at the gate to see the degree of segregation. Those vehicles which are carrying properly segregated wastes are allowed in the center. All the vehicles carrying wastes have to pass through a weighbridge for monitoring the quantity of waste brought to the center. The dry wastes which are brought to the Resource Recovery Center are first treated with disinfectant and then left for a period of 3 to 5 days to ensure inactivation of pathogens before secondary segregation by the sanitary workers, who are protected with full personal protective equipments, PPE. The recyclable wastes are then ready for sale so as to convert waste into wealth. The wet wastes are also disinfected and then left for a period of 3 to 5 days before processing segregation of non-biodegradable materials which may be present in the wet waste. The compostable wastes are then loaded to the mechanical compost plant for manure production. The health and well-being of our sanitary workers is our top priority. The workers at the center are well informed and are given thorough training for their safety and hygiene. Even before the COVID-19 pandemic, it was a normal practice for the workers to use masks and gloves. They are also instructed to take bath 3 times a day, especially prior to leaving the center. They are also instructed to maintain personal hygiene. Separate bathrooms are provided for men and women. Smoking is strictly prohibited within the center. After the COVID-19 pandemic, additional care has been taken by disinfecting the waste and mandatory wearing of personal protective equipment for the workers. As necessary precautions and measures are taken with regards to their safety, it is overwhelming to mention that the sanitary workers continue to work wholeheartedly amidst the COVID-19 pandemic crisis. Solid Waste Management Rule 2016 demands every generator to segregate their wastes into dry waste, wet waste, plastic waste and e-waste. Let us continue to be good citizens and support our frontline sanitary workers by properly segregating our waste to ensure our safety, the safety of our frontline workers and the environment.